Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imagination cannot reach him, so as to assign him quantity. Understanding cannot think of him, so as to give him shape. Senses do not perceive him, so as to feel him. Hands cannot touch him, so as to rub against him. He does not change into any condition. He does not pass from one state to another. Nights and days do not turn him old. Light and darkness do not alter him. It cannot be said that he has a limit or extremity, or end or termination. Nor do things control him so as to raise him or lower him. Nor does anything carry him so as to bend him or keep him erect. He is not inside things nor outside them. He conveys news, but not with the tongue or voice. He listens, but not with the holes of the ears or the organs of hearing. He says, but does not utter words. He remembers, but does not memorize. He determines, but not by exercising his mind. He loves and approves without any sentimentality of heart. He hates and feels angry without any painstaking. When he intends to create someone, he says be, and there he is. But not through a voice that strikes the ears is that call heard. His speech is an act of his creation. The foremost in religion is the acknowledgement of him. The perfection of acknowledging him is to testify him. The perfection of testifying him is to believe in his oneness. The perfection of believing in his oneness is to regard him pure. And the perfection of his purity is to deny him attributes. Because every attribute is a proof that it is different from that to which it is attributed. And everything to which something is attributed is different from the attribute. Thus, whoever attaches attributes to God recognizes his like. And who recognizes his like regards him too. And who regards him too recognizes parts of him. And who recognizes parts for him mistook him. And who mistook him pointed at him. And who pointed at him admitted limitations for him. And who admitted limitations for him numbered him. Whoever said, "In what is he?" held that he is contained. And whoever said, "On what is he held?" he is not on something else. He is a being, but not through the phenomenon of coming into being. He exists, but not from non-existence. He is with everything, but not in physical nearness. He is different from everything, but not in physical separation. He acts, but without connotation of movements and instruments. He sees even when there is none to be looked at from among his creation. He is only one. Such that there is none with whom he may keep company. Or whom he may miss in his absence. We will show them our signs in the universe and in their own selves. Until it becomes manifest to them that this is the truth.